about the Rubik's Cube is the opposite of white is always going to be yellow. The opposite of blue is always going to be green. Then the opposite of red is always going to be orange. The way I remember this is, white is light and so is yellow. Green is kind of like blue and orange is like red. And this cyclone boy, it's actually hard to distinguish the orange from the red. See, if I turn it like this, you can kind of see, but yeah. So that might be a problem. If you don't have the same colors as me, it might be a bit more difficult to do this, but hopefully it's not. So I'm going to shuffle this up, and at the very end, I'll show you guys me solving it. So yeah. Okay, so now, first you need to do is find where the pieces go. So the first piece, where the corner pieces go, so I'm going to look for one. Here, this has a green on top of it, so we know it's going to have to go here. So, an easy way to do this, if you have this problem, you just turn the right down, and then move the bottom left. And now you should have that like that. Okay, so now you look for another one, right here. You want to get it, yeah, right here. So what you gotta do, if it's right here, you gotta move it under where you want it to go, move it out of the way, bring it down, bring it back over. So then you can bring it back up again. Now you have the entire white side almost complete. So now you see this. When this happens, you just gotta move it like this, and then like that. So if it's right here, line it up where you want it to be. Go like this. Turn the right down, and then turn this twice, and then turn this back up. Now remember, move it out of the way. Bring it down, twist it over twice, and then bring it up. Okay, so now that you have this, the white side, make sure that you have a continuous band of colors around. Make sure that they're not all mixed up. So I'll show you here real quick. So if it's like this, it's incorrect. It's like, so it has like this, that's incorrect. You don't want to have it like that, or else it will be incorrect. So now, I'm going to fix this real quick. I am not very good at solving Rubik's Cubes, but I definitely know how to. So I'm not like a speedkeeper, I should say. So turn that on, run that over twice. Okay, so now I'm going to solve the yellow side. If you have the chameleon eye, so like one right here, and then the bar right here, you want to hold the bar to your left, and then do this algorithm. So, up, right inverted, up, right, up 2 times, right inverted. So now you have this. Now you want to go to this place where it has this, so like the yellow, and then on the bottom left of the yellow side, and then the other piece right here. If it's not and it's like over here, you need to do the left algorithm, which I'll show you in a second. So you're going to bring this up, bring the right side up, top, right inverted, up, there you go, and there you go. So now if you don't have this, if you don't have that, so you have this one right here and then this one right here, you're going to have it right here or right here. So when that happens, you have to do this algorithm. So it's left, up, So just do what I do. So it's left, inverted, no, just like, I don't even know, but just watch what I do. So it's right here. And then you should be able to get into the optimal position right here. Saying, okay, so now you want to look for a little, like right here, a bar that can match up with this. Just so you know, guys, you might actually have already solved the Rubik's Cube. So, yeah, if you have, just move on. Okay, so now that you have this, if you have the bar, turn it to the side that you need it. So it'll be the orange side so it matches up. Now, hold it to the yellow side, hold it to the side that you completed, turn it to the back, and then face the white side like this, so the color should be on the bottom. And now do this algorithm. So, follow what I do. Be right inverted, up, right inverted, down 2 times, right, inverted, up inverted, right, down 2 times, right 2 times, down 2 times, and then back. So then you should have completed your 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And I will show you how to do it if you don't have the thing. So, okay, so hopefully I can get a situation where that happens, but you know. Okay, so you need this to be right here, so I'm gonna put it right where under it needs to be. Move it out of the way. Bring it down. One second. I screwed this up. Okay, so you need this. Turn it over. Okay. So then you do the algorithm thing. Oh, by the way, guys, when you have this, you do the left algorithm, which I'll show you right here. So left, inverted, up, inverted, left, up, inverted, left, up 2 times, and then now you got this. I had that bar. So if you didn't have the bar, turn it over out of the way, you'd have to do this next algorithm twice. So it's right inverted, up, right inverted, down 2 times, right, up inverted, right, down 2 times, right 2 times, and then down 2 times, and then back. So now that you have that, do the same thing I showed you before. That, and then you should have successfully solved the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So now at the beginning of the video I said that it's the easiest way. I'll show you how I solved the Rubik's Cube. So I did that, and I'm going to show you me solving the Rubik's Cube. Scramble it up. Toss it in the air so you know I'm not just retracing my steps. Okay. Scrambled up. Okay, here we go. Specs solution time. Okay, here we go. You don't have to time me. I'm not a speed keeper. Here we go. Like that. Oh, I actually solved the Rubik's Cube that fast. And that definitely was under, I believe, 20 seconds. So, yeah, I hope you guys could see the entire thing. I just solved it, by the way. If you didn't, I probably have to see another video. But if you did, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe for more. If this video was useful, tell me if you've ever solved 2x2. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed. One second, I have to make sure you guys are seeing all this. Actually, didn't use my phone to go for that. So I'm just gonna go down. Oh, I need to be on the Wi-Fi network. I'm new. Okay. So I know. So you guys should have been able to see the entire thing. Comment, rate, subscribe for more. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.